welcome to MS Craftshop. I promised to share a new video with you last week. Unfortunately, my voice was having some issues, but after a few days of recovery, I'm ready to talk again. Today, I'd like to present a folio album that I created for a baby girl. I'm wondering, does it look familiar to you? Well, if you follow my channel, you will recognize it. Yes, that's right. This design is the same one we used for the second part of the Mysterious Nesting Folio Album project. The Mysterious Nesting Folio Album was an activity that involved creating a project with 3 parts. These parts are separate projects that form one whole. I also promised you that I would demonstrate how each piece of this puzzle could stand alone as an individual project. So, before I introduce you to this beautiful baby girl folio album, I want to briefly remind you about the first part of the Mysterious Nesting Folio Album. I won't go into detail again, as I covered that in the initial tutorial for this project. I have already demonstrated that this part of the project can stand alone as a separate one, in the form of the Autumn Folio Album presented here. If you are interested in learning more, please check the link available in the video description. Now, let's take a look at this cute baby girl folio album and see if this project can truly stand on its own. To decorate this album, I used the Vintage Baby Girl paper collection by Laserovelov. Since I only had one big collection of these papers, 12 by 12, I used a few other sheets from my stash. Otherwise, I wouldn't have had enough paper to finish this album. On this page, you can notice a difference. Initially, I made 2 pockets in the second part of the Mysterious Nesting Folio Album. Here, I created 3 of them. However, I always emphasize that my tutorials should serve as your inspiration. Customize your album to suit your needs and preferences. let's move on to the most crucial section of the album. Originally, this area was used to hold a smaller folio album, which we referred to as the first part of the puzzle. This time, however, this large pocket contains 12 photomats that highlight each month of a child's first year. Each photomat is dedicated to 1 month and can hold photos on both sides. This is my suggestion for using this project as a baby album. I think a travel album would be fantastic as well, where instead of photomats you can put maps, tickets or a travel diary inside the pocket. Other pages can accommodate holiday photos. If you enjoy gardening or know someone who does, consider giving the album with seats inside and a garden guide. On the remaining pages of the album you can add photos taken together in that person's garden. Christmas is coming. If you enjoy cooking, you can store recipes related to this holiday in the pocket, while other pages can hold family Christmas photos. These are only a few of the endless suggestions on how to organize the album. The third part of the Mysterious Nesting Folio album is a box that completes the entire project. Everyone enjoys boxes, especially those who love to collect items that might still be useful. Does this sound familiar? Many crafters have shelves filled with these types of things. So, what can such a box be used for? For example, it can store ribbons, buttons, paper scraps, as well as documents, letters, and loosely placed photos. The size of the box can be adjusted to fit your needs. This means you can create boxes of various sizes, just like this one. As I mentioned earlier, Christmas is coming, so gift boxes are an essential item to have alongside a gift. As you can see, the Mysterious Nesting Folio album and its components offer numerous options and possibilities. I hope you liked the video and presentation. This time I won't specify when my following content will be available, as that approach doesn't work for me. However, I can only say that my upcoming videos will be related to Christmas. Thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you soon.